Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I'll show you math tricks and shortcut for competitive exams. Math tricks and shortcuts are the easiest and fastest ways in which you can solve mathematical problems in the upcoming government exams. So quantitative aptitude or the numerical ability section is most commonly a part of all major government exams, and if a candidate can get shortcut tricks to solve this section quickly, he may be able to score a higher overall percentage in the examination. Candidates who are looking for questions from the quantitative aptitude section for the various government exams 2021 can refer to the set of links mentioned below. Free online government exam quiz, free mock test series with solutions, previous year government exams questions papers video with solutions. In this article, we have given the 10 maths tricks that will make the quantitative aptitude section less stressful and easier to solve. Aspirants who are preparing for the upcoming competitive exams can refer to this tricks. 10 simple math tricks and shortcuts. First one, square root. Finding the square root. A number of a number by estimating and multiplying can be a long procedure. Given below is a simpler method to find the square root of a number. Example: find the square root of 2116. To find the squares root of 2116, step 1, step 1, see the digit in one's place. In this case, it is 6. Now check between 1 to 9. 1 to 9, the square of what all numbers have 6 at once places. The answer is 42 is equal 16, and 62 is equal 36. Step 2. Now check the square of which number between 1 to 9 is closest to the first two digits of the given number. In this case, the sum of the number between 1 to 9 is closest to 21. The answer is 42 is equal 16, and 52 is equal 25. So one number among 44, 46, for 54 and 56 is the square root of 2116. Step 3, for the two numbers you got in step 2, multiply each of them with the next number in the number series. That is 4 into 5 is equal 20, and 5 into 6 is equal 30. Since 20 is a closer number to 21, the answer has to be either 46 or 44. Multiply and check your answer. Check yourself with the below mentioned example. Example is, what is the square root of 1024? Solution. Step 1, 22 is equal 4, and 82 is equal 64. Step 2, 32 is equal 9. Step 3, 3 into 4 is equal 12. Since 12 is greater than 10, the square root will be is equal 32. Question 2, cube root. Follow the steps given below to find out the cube root of a number quickly. Example: what is the cube root of 9261? Step 1, find the numbers between 1 to 9 whose cube is equal to the digit present at the ones place. Here it is 1, so we get 1 into 1 into is equal 1. Step 2. See the first digit of the number. In this case, 9. 9 lies between the cube of 2. 2 into 2 into is 2 into 2 is equal 8, and 3 into 3 into is equal 27. Since 8 is closest to 9, the cube root of 9200 61 is 21. Now, to find the cube root of 5-digit number, use the first two digits instead of the first digit in step 2. Try one example, one example by yourself to understand the trick even better. Example: what is the cube root of 32,768? Step 1. Uh, Step 1. 23 is equal 8. 33 is equal 27, and 43 is equal 64. Since uh, 27 is closer to 32, the cube root of 30 the cube root of 32 68 will be 32. Candidates who are looking for shortcut tricks to calculate the square and cube of a number can visit the linked article. Question 3. Qua- uh, Quadratic equations. Given below are two examples of quadratic equations. Solve with easy tricks to find the answer quickly. Example: uh, x square minus 18x plus 45 is equal 0. Uh, Step 1. Multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant in the equations. In this case, 1 into 45 is equal 45. Step to multiply uh, inverted comma minus 1, inverted within minus 1 with the coefficient of x. In this case, minus 1 into within bracket minus 18 is equal 80. Hence, sorry, step 3. Hence, the value of x will be 15, and 3 within bracket within 3 plus 15 is equal 18, and 3 into 15 is equal 45. Remember, for science, if the answer obtained in both steps 1 and 2 is positive, then both values of x will be positive. If even 1 is negative, then the value of x will be negative. Here, the value of obtained in step 1 into 2, 1 and 2 is positive. Hence, the value of x will be positive. So, the answer is x is equal 15 and 3. Example: x square minus 5x minus 5x is 6 is equal 0. Step 1. Multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant in the equation. In this case, 1 into with bracket with minus 6 is equal within bracket minus 6. Step to multiply within inverted minus 1 with the coefficient of x in this case, comma within bracket minus 1 into within bracket minus 5 is equal 5. The step 3. Hence, the value of x will be 6 and 1 within bracket 6 minus 1 is equal 5, and 6 into 1 is equal 6. Remember, for science, if the answer obtained in both step 1 and 2 positive, then both values of x will be positive. If even 1 is negative, then one of the values of x will be negative. Step 4. So here, step 4. Here is the answer in this step. 1 is negative, thus one value of x will be negative. If the answer in step 1 is negative, the smaller value of x will be negative. If the answer in step 2 is negative, the larger value will be negative. So x is equal 6 and minus 1. Learn more about Question 4, number series. If a candidate is confused about the system followed in a number series, the easiest way to find the difference between two numbers in the series, example 46, 62, 87, 123, question mark 12 solution 46 after 62, um, 46 and 62 between 16, um, 62 and 87, 62 to and 87 between 25, 87 to 123 um, between 36 for 123 uh, and uh, 236 between 172. Step 1, start with find the difference between two numbers. Step 2, once you find the difference, you will notice that the pattern with the square of numbers has been followed. 4 4 square is equal for 16, 5 5 square is equal 25, 6 square is equal 36, 7 square is equal 49, 8 square is equal 64. For any other question asked in number series format and the candidate faces any kind of confusion in following the pattern, they can directly find the difference between two numbers in the series. It shall make solving it easier. Candidates can visit number series pages to know about more the concept and types of questions which may be asked under this topic. Question 5, compound interest. Given below are a few mathematical formulas that may save you some time during the example while solving the compound interest problems. If compound interest is x% for the first interval of time and is y% for the second interval of time, then net effective rate of interest after the two intervals is equal x plus y is equal uh, within brackets xy divided 100. Note, this is applicable if both the time intervals are equal. uh, B. Uh, if a sum of money, say P, amounts to a1 in certain duration of time, say T, at compound interest, and same sum of money amounts to a2 in 2t time at compound interest, then P divided a1 is equal a1 divided a2. Number C, if sum of money say P amounts to A1 in a certain time duration say T at compound interest, and the same sum of money amounts to A2 after T plus 1 years at compound interest, then the rate of interest is equal within brackets A2 minus A1 divided A1 into 100. For example, last place compound interest at 60% per annum, the same, which is compound quarterly. What is the effective rate of interest by paid by Raj? Annual interest rate 16%. So the interest is paid quarterly, which makes total installment. Therefore, the rate of interest per quarter 16 divided 4 is equal 4% is in a within bracket a x plus y plus within bracket x 4 plus 4 within bracket into 4 divided 100 is equal 8 plus 0.16 is equal 8.16 for 2 quarters. For 2 quarters, 8.16 plus 8.6 is equal 16.32. Okay, guys, please share the math solution video, like, comment, and subscription. Assalamualaikum.